Absolutely savage boulder field back there. Unrelenting. On my last full day here in Whistler, I'm hiking up to Wedgemount Lake, which is on the backside of Wedge Mountain, if you're looking from Whistler Village. Took the Sea to Sky Highway up past Green Lake to get to the trailhead. Just sweating here. I kept hearing how difficult this hike is, so had to come check it out. I guess it's a pretty dope spot to backpack up and overnight camp, but I gotta be up there and back down by midday, so time to get these legs burning. Always gotta appreciate some good moss. Like a good boulder field. It's humbling. Oh, wow. Just keeps going, just going and going. See, just the tip of Green Lake down there. Just a tip. Unrelenting. What a scramble. Absolutely savage boulder field back there. Oh man. But I think I'm starting to get up here. I think I'm getting over this ridge. I see a pretty dope little glacier right up there. All right. Got an arrow telling me to go this way, so let's follow the trail. Waterfall down there. From my sweat. Well, I haven't done too much hiking out here in Whistler, but safely say this is the best hike in Whistler. Look at that though. man, this hike ain't no joke, man. Especially since I gotta kind of rush back and don't have the luxury to mosey along here. Gotta get going. Just had my heart pumping. Whew. Absolutely stunning views though, check that. Just amazing. It's beautiful up there. But all right, well, if you like the hiking video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, many more adventure videos to come, and until next time, peace out.